Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine.
Oh. Wow. Oh wait, yours is right there. So it's all here. Look how lovely.
Oh.
Braxton behind them. Oh, they put this in here to control the lights. That's nice of them. Ooh, a little sofa action. A little table. This is actually removable. So, oh, I found a treasure. Someone's earring. They probably got home looking for this thing. It's pretty too. It was behind there when I pulled the table out.
Pardon, dear.
Little trash can. Lots of plug options. Oh, they left the little tiny magnets. Ooh, they were in a hurry, honey. He didn't see all this stuff. My favorite part of the balcony. Closet. He locked himself out already. Who is it? You locked yourself out? Thanks for getting the bags. TV. Nice little bed. With plug on both sides. I love this for us. Plug and a USB-C. And my absolute favoriteest part, we are starboard side, so once we pull out, we should have a, well, obviously everybody will have an ocean view when we pull out, but when we pull into port, hopefully they don't back in and we'll have an ocean view as well. Otherwise, we're in the working district of Port Canaveral. So cute. I like it.
That's your sales, royal customers.
Oh my God. Okay. That was, that was very unexpected. The last people here had a lot of magnets. I guess they hung up some decoration. So if we need them, we could use them, I suppose. Oh, I'm gonna decorate our door. Yes. And charge my phone. But not before I clean this room. Time to clean. Okay. First thing I usually do is check the bed for bed bugs in the corner.
She's on it. I like these new couches.
Right. This is a new ship, so I would not presume that they would have bed bugs or anything. But you never know. People come from wherever and bring their stuff with them. Then I get my equipment. Got some other door magnets. I'm gonna close it. It's loud. In the work district.
Not that deep, right?
Excuse me. My Lysol. Gonna Lysol the remote while it's sitting on this countertop. Along with the countertop. Then I'll wipe it down. Get the wall real quick. All these drawer handles. Can you pull that chair up? I'm gonna spray the chair. I don't want to spray your face. Yeah, you sprayed the bathroom. Por favor.
I suppose.
The door handle. Where's my... Now it's time for gloves. Okay. Well, they really put these gloves on lockdown because I can't open them. Kind of mess.
What you trying to open?
The gloves. Like, they should put a little tear mark or something on these. Who's stealing gloves that much to where they have to seal them in such a fashion?
You got them from dollar store?
Yes.
Oh, they're stealing everything out of dollar store.
That's sad.
It is.
Very sad. I'm gonna use these mega peppermint and sage cleaning wipes. Do the lights not come on when the ship is off? I can't remember.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. They're gentlemen and a scholar. It sounds like the AC is on.
Oh.
I thought I... Okay. I'll edit that out. I thought I pressed that button.
I like the mirror changes.
Mm-hmm.
Body and separate. Not all the wasted.
Right. This remote. Excuse me.
Still on?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you can turn it. I had spray this card. Okay. Let's have a look-see at the bathroom. Plenty of room. Another wipe. I'm just gonna wipe everything else down, and that'll be it for now. Okay, I'm just about done settling into the room. I wiped all these shelves down after we sprayed them all down. I have toilet seat covers, washcloths, disposable washcloths, baby wipes if we need them. And also in the shower, I do bring a little cheap Dollar Tree mat. We spray the floor down, wiped everything down in here. Bring our own soaps and things. Hand soap, because the soap provided is this bar soap. If you're into that, by all means use it. But I do prefer hand soap. I bought a couple of these little magnets so I can hang stuff throughout if need be. And that's it. We are all most settled in. Started taking some stuff out. I like to keep some order about things. My cleaning wipes. We'll go in here, down here at the bottom. Spray. And we brought our little fan. Oh, you have it. Oh, it's so quiet. And you can extend it to about 3 feet tall. So, and it goes higher. Oh, you have a remote? Perfect. This is good. I like it.